Hey everybody, Rich from CCxRC, wanting to say thank you very much to everybody for watching the videos. Hope you enjoyed the last video, and it's time to announce the winners of the 500 subscriber giveaway. So let's get right to it. 3 giveaways, 3 winners, the first, second, and third prize. It's going to be a $20 gift card, a $30 gift card, and a $50 gift card for Amazon. Get to use it for whatever you want, have it shipped right to your door. So, number 3, winner, $20 gift card, Blackwolf RC. Congratulations, buddy. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing to the channel, and thanks for all your support. In second place, with the $30 gift card, Bilge Rat RC. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and congratulations. And my first grand prize winner of my first giveaway for my 500 subscribers. Big shout out and congratulations to Souledout RC, $50 Amazon gift card. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing and showing all the support for the channel. I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Really appreciate all the support I've gotten. Thank you all very much. Congratulations to all my winners. For my winners, go to the About tab on my channel. Click on the email. Click on Not a Robot. Send me an email with your information, basically your email address, and I will send you a link to your gift card from Amazon. Also, if anybody is interested in getting Stickies Racing stickers, you can also click on that About tab, send me an email, mailing information, and I'll send out a sticker to you. Thank you all very much, and I'm looking forward to getting more videos out. Thank you.